This is an acupuncturist bread and butter. At least half our patients come with a pain of some sort, and acupuncture is the best therapy for musculoskeletal pains. We discussed earlier the 3 questions we should ask our patient in order to determine if the pain is an excess or deficient state. An acute state and a recurrent state should be treated with sedation of the excess. We also discussed that in the treatment of hot pain, one should use fewer local needles and more distal points to draw the excess energy away from the local area. In this context, I would like to draw your attention to one-point therapy again. This therapy has been mentioned before in Chapter 6 on how it is possible to sedate an excess of one meridian on either its same polarity meridian on the arm or leg, or the meridian that precedes it on the organ clock energy flow. So we have here the table, one-point therapy. Sa symptoms, if there is a facial pain, headache, sa related guidance course, we have the gallbladder, large intestine, and stomach. Related guidance course, the triple warmer, stomach, and large intestine. The point is triple warmer 6, stomach 44, and LI 4. Sa shoulder and arm, large intestine, triple warmer, small intestine, stomach, GB, and UB. The point is stomach 38, GB 34, and UB 58. For back pain and sciatica, related guidance course, we have the UB, small intestine, and the small intestine 7, small intestine 3. Sa osteoarthritis of the knee, leg pain, the related guidance course, stomach, gallbladder, spleen, and liver. LI, triple warmer, lung, and pericardium. The point is LI 10, triple warmer 5, UB 6, and pericardium 7. Pain in the hypochondrium, related guidance course, the GB and triple warmer, we use the point triple warmer 8. For the heel and ankle, we have the related guidance course, the kidney and pericardium. The point is pericardium 7. According to the table 13.11 and table 6.7, we have 2 possible sedation points for excess situations of each and every meridian except 3, the large intestine and small intestine and triple warmer. The table gives 1 empirical point for us sedating the meridian excess, but other points along the same meridian can be considered. Example, we have a stiff neck. This is a very common complaint patient present with after sleeping in a wrong position or after wind exposure. The pain is on the trapezius muscle, the gallbladder meridian on turning the head sideways, and is severe enough to limit movement. May cause a parietal headache. So sa treatment, we use 2 needles locally with electrical stimulation for 20 minutes. Lung 7, area distal point, UB 60, the meridian distal point. When local needles had been removed, point triple warmer 6 should be applied on the affected side and vibrated while the patient slowly moves the head. Pain reduces within 0.5 to 2 minutes. The triple warmer 6 must be removed after 2 minutes. One-point therapy is used for removing energy from the local area. It should be given as the last part of the treatment, and there should not be only local point at the same time or after. If local points are used, this would bring energy to the pain. One-point therapy sedates the polarity of the meridian, sedates yin in a yin meridian, and yang in a yang meridian. Sedation of lung 6 sedates yin of the spleen meridian.